Yeah, I did. I saw that.
Let it come, dude, like that. Dude, you know who I would totally tap? Danielle Bousquet.
Yeah, what, anime?
What? No, I said Danielle Bousquet, this other hot chick.
I
It
know
was
her.
a smiley face.
But it was sideways.
Nothing more than that, but you know, she's still got a hot body.
Oh, I got hit.
What?
I got hit.
Oh, the motor shells. Oh my god.
Yeah, like I got it.
America.
Again, let me say something on there. I'll say this was brought to you by Americans for Americans.
No, but for Americans, by Americans.
Blame it on the
But not good.
Blame it.
Well, the other one's cool.
It's like a rainbow of death.
Oh my god. Oh, dude, look at that. It's like the one sperm hitting the egg.
Yeah.
Totally keeping that. That's kicking ass. Boom.
I like
These are shiny.
I want to be a cowboy.
I want to be a
A
wizard.
gay cowboy with your little
Oh my God, it's
leather,
raining.
little leather chaps.
Look.
Yeah, assless chaps.
Assless chaps.
Watch out. Jordy might go after you. I feel like George W. Bush.